Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's have a look today at MicroStrategy. Now this stock, if you have a look for today, is very neutral, down by 0.13%, again barely worth noting, ultimately a relatively flat day. This comes at a very interesting point for the stock. We are remaining above key levels of support way down at 318.96, 318.90 you could say. However, things towards this level now beg even more questions. Are we going to see the ability to remain in the range that we are? Well, we're going to be asking all of those questions in this short video. If you do enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. But as always, remember, this is not financial advice. So I think today actually sets a really interesting stage. Look out to the 5-day chart and you'll kind of understand why. Only down by 2% in the past 5, and in the past month, yeah, we are down 18. But what do you notice? And this comes very clear on this chart, right, when you zoom right out. This downtrend is slowing. We were initially falling off of a cliff, really steep angle, then the angle slows and slows to the point where we've been at for the last week. Now, that might sound like a bit of an abstract concept, but what it shows to me at least is that the downward pressure is absolutely slowing, which puts us in an interesting position going forwards into, of course, tomorrow and next week. So what am I looking for into tomorrow and next week? Well, I'm going to give you the levels to the upside that I'm paying attention to and the levels to the downside. Well, most notably here, we initially have levels that we want to remain above. These are going to be levels something like 323.87, ultimately up to 324. Remaining in this level will be key for a few reasons. Key levels of support here, both here and here in the past. Seeing this remain above here would be absolutely ideal. Below that, you are looking to the next level of support for the same reasons. This is going to be 322.50, levels of support here and here in the past. Staying in this range would be ideal too. Now, if we don't stick in those, we are going to likely drop below, and that would take us down to levels at 318 potentially, or 320. Either would be less ideal. Now to the upside, very key levels to break above are going to be initially simply all the way down to 327.76. Breaking above there has been difficulty both today in the last few days and the past few weeks, really going back to about the 4th. Breaking up to the upside past that, we are looking for 330. That's going to be a key level psychologically for a lot of people. Then we're looking to go even higher to 335 and ultimately break above this key level, which is going to be at 337.50. So a lot to play for in the next couple of days. I'm definitely very interested. One thing that I would say, and I'm not going to necessarily confirm it yet because I don't have full confidence, but I think we're certainly getting to that point. You could be asking the question, is this beginning to be the bottom for the downtrend that we've been seeing ever so recently? Well, of course, time will tell, and we'll be giving you guys more updates on this in the next few days. If it does sound good, as always, make sure to leave a like on the video and do subscribe if you can. Thank you so much for your time, guys, and I hope I'll see you again.